Today we are going to learn how to create a loading animation. So first of all, go to sample media and add a black color into the timeline. Then go to titles tab, add default title, then go to edit properties, then proceed by customizing the title as follows. Then adjust the font and the font size. After that, proceed by taking a snapshot. Then click on the title and stretch it to fit the panel. Then go 5 frames forward and cut the title. Now proceed by typing each letter individually. Now highlight all the text and place them in the upper track. Then bring the snapshot into the timeline and adjust the opacity to 50%. Now adjust the letter to their corresponding position. Then delete the snapshot. And then click the render icon. Okay, now export the video. Now delete everything in the timeline, then import your video. Now add your video into the second track. Then proceed by adding your snapshot in the lower track. Click on your video and change the blending mode to screen. Then copy the video and paste it several times. Click the render icon. Then add a keyframe and adjust the opacity to 0. Add another keyframe and return the opacity back to 100. Then click the render icon. Okay, let's see the preview. And that is how you create a loading animation.